Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 5th, and this is my recap of the top field videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis from Friday morning on the pound dollar, make sure you see the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a big pump up and a big dump on the pound dollar on Friday. I actually do suspect that the higher time frames may be trying to turn to the upside, at least for some sort of a bigger move, maybe even a wave 3, or at least you can hope. Either way, if you do trade the 1 hour time frame and below, I probably would be looking for shorts because I would expect to see at least one more push down. I mean, if this really is a crutch into the uptrend, then it would be a wave C and it would bounce off one of these two fib levels again and continue the uptrend. So if you see that ABC three-way pattern bounce off a fib level, I would definitely go long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if you do get short and you think it's a wave C, but it just keeps on trending down, then that's going to be more than anything just a bonus trade. So I would always label this as either a wave A or wave 1, wave B or wave 2. Then we should be going down for a C or 3. If it's a C, you'll get a fib bounce, break a structure. If it's a 3, you'll just continue to get lower lows, lower highs. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to all the swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.